Hello my viewers, welcome to a new video. My name is Dennis and I'm going to unbox this cordless drill 12 volt from PARKSIDE. The model number is PBSA 12D4 and I bought it as a bare unit. What we'll say, I bought it without battery and without a charger. It was an offer and I bought it for only 19 euros. Let's open it up and see what's inside the box. Of course, we have the manual, which is available in your language for sure. A drill and bit set. And I like this size drill bits. Nice. Always good to have the drill bits and the drills. The machine. Looks very heavy to me. And easily to change between the drill and the screwdriver function. You got all these settings here. 19 plus 1 drill setting. One and 2 for the speed. And we got this nice LEDs here on the side and a working light. Let's attach a battery and see how it operates. So we are outside now. These are the bits and the drills, and we're gonna test them. First I'm gonna use this one. Remove the head, pull back the ring, and it comes easily off. Very small screw. Very easy. Let's try a different setting. Try it on 1. Two, 4, 10. You can just adjust it here very well. Bigger screw. The highest setting. The drill mode. Let's try it. Try a very big one. With some force, but very strong for this drill. very strong. Try to drill a hole. We need to attach this one. First take a smaller one. Works very nice. Bigger drill, the biggest one in the set. Easy. Works very nice. See if we can attach this one. Can't get it further in. No, I need this one. Long screw. Try to do it on setting 19. Very nice. I'm very happy about this small tool. Also the light is very nice. Let's drill a bigger hole with this fella. Easy. Easy. Easy, easy. Very nice. So now we try to drill in metal with a drill from another set. Goes very well, as you can see. I think it passed the test. It's a very nice machine. Small, pretty strong. On this side it's magnetic, so you can attach a drill here or a bit. Very nice. I can't even find them back. They're so deep. So we are back inside, and I can say wow about this tool. I really do like this 12-volt machine. Normally I do prefer the 20-volt, but for a 12-volt this is a fine machine. For the lighter works, it's perfect. As you could see in the test, you can decide for yourself what you think about it, and please leave a comment about it. It's easy to change the head. I really like that function. And all the functions with the LED on the front, the LED battery indication, the normal functions, you can change the direction and the speed. I really like this tool, and I do recommend it for the lighter works. So please like this video, give a comment and subscribe to my channel for future videos. And bye for now.